Hmm.
Good evening. Hello. Hello.
हाँ, गुड इवनिंग, बोलिए बोलिए बोलिए।
Good evening.
मैं सबको ले लेता हूँ 1 मिनट अंदर, ये वेटिंग रूम में है।
जी 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 जी।
हाँ, राजेश सर भी है, आ गए, सब आ गए ऑलमोस्ट। राजीव जुनेजा, ओके। यस। बंसी है, कौशल भी है।
Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Just hold कीजिए. Our team members are joining, so we need to just hold on for a second.
Okay, no issue, no issue.
और 17:05 गुड नाइट.
एक मिनट। हेलो। आ गए ना सब कपिल भाई?
5 minutes. अभी लोग ज्वाइन करें, मुझे मैसेज आया है कुछ लोगों का. People are joining. Just 5 minutes.
मैं वो फेसबुक चालू कर देता हूँ।
हाँ, नितिन भाई ज्वाइन किए हैं. Just hold on. Actually, we are joining.
Okay.
Okay, Fahad ji has also joined.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, सब आ गए ना. फेसबुक लाइव हो गया.
Okay, just last 2 minutes. Many people are joining. Actually, Abhishek ji is also joined from Assam. Sunil Sori ji has also
Okay,
joined.
take it. No issue.
Last 2 minutes actually.
No issues,
No
no issues.
issue.
That's
No
fine.
issue. Yes, sir.
नितिन भाई आप राज भाई को कॉल कर देंगे, राज किशन और मनोज जी को, चेन्नई
मैं वो
और निर्मली. तब तक मैं बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन देता हूँ. Great. So hope many people are joining. So till the time we shall start. Shashwat sir, Rajesh ji.
Sure, sure. Please go
Yes.
ahead.
Yeah, people will
Yes.
keep on joining.
Coming.
So we'll just start. Yes, Shah sir is also here. Sir, good evening.
Good evening. Very good evening.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
How are you?
Yeah. So sir, fine sir. Sir, Minda team is also here, as we had discussed earlier.
Great.
Minda national team as well as zonal and regional team is here.
Great.
We welcome everybody. Actually, on behalf of Speed Force, I welcome everybody. Our franchisee team family members as well as Minda team family members. We all have get together. Actually, the day we were waiting, the session we were waiting so anxiously from past many days. You know, since the lockdown, we were waiting to get connected with Minda team. So today, finally, Minda team is with us, and we are happy. We are very, in fact, happy and motivated to get associated with Minda team. They have been very supporting, and they have been very liberal in all the approaches till now. We have been working with Minda uh, in our own way, in our own connection. But now we have officially, it gives us pleasure that we have officially tied up with Minda, and henceforth
Right.
we all will be using all the Minda products, and it is for the benefit of all. So entire majority of the Minda team is here. The national team, the regional team is here to give brief about us to the Minda team. We have people from Hyderabad, team from Hyderabad, team from Mumbai, team from Baroda, team from Assam. Abhishek ji from Assam is also here. Team from Pune, Nitin Bhai is also here. So we have our Mr. Vansh is here from Ganganagar, Rajasthan. So Ahmedabad, Gunjan Bhai is here. So people are joining in from different states and different cities. So our team is also is joining gradually once they are attending. We are getting the messages they are joining. So till the time everybody starts, actually this is a session we have been waiting for regarding the spares and regarding introduction about what are the things that we are looking forward and what and how Speed Force and Minda, so we have a very good product range. We all know a very good, excellent product range, a great pricing, great company, great quality, good products, very supportive staff, very supportive distributors, very supportive dealers. So we shall conduct multiple sessions. Minda के हम लोग अलग-अलग sessions conduct करेंगे, starting from their various product range. Today we are starting from their own product team is also here. So I'll not take much of your time because I talk daily. So I would let Minda team to take it ahead. I would welcome Rajesh ji and Shashwat ji's team. We on behalf of Speed Force entire family, please, sir, you can take it ahead, Rajesh ji and Shashwat ji.
Thank you, sir. So it's our pleasure to be to be part of this meeting, and we are very very happy to welcome you all in this partnership journey, which is the beginning of our partnership journey. We hope this journey which we are starting is in this May will be a long lasting one, and which will provide growth to both of us, both Speed Force as well as Uno Minda. And we are planning to actually have multiple sessions as part of our Speed Force. And today being the first session, we thought of actually take you through Uno Minda as a group. So we are basically a big conglomerate in terms of having multiple product groups across different continents also. And so we will today talk about Uno Minda group, and then within Uno Minda Limited is doing, and what are the product groups that we are handling. The overall outlook of the company we will provide you today, along with discussing on some of our key electrical products. So we have two major kind of products that we have classified: electrical product ranges and mechanical product ranges. And in today's session, we will start with the electrical product ranges. Probably in the coming sessions, we can get into the mechanical product range also. And finally, probably we will have one session which is about in the market trends and new insight and reopening guidelines post COVID-19 scenario. So probably that like that we can plan the session. So in today's session, it's basically more about an intro about our group, about our company, and about our key products, and particularly the new products that we are now launching for the latest range of vehicles. So there will be two speakers because in this entire 1 hour duration. I request Mr. Shashwat to take over from me and then kickstart this product marketing presentation. Shashwat, over to you. Yeah, sir. Yeah.
जो हमारे फ्रेंचाइजी है हाँ उनके बारे में बता दूं. हमारे साथ हैदराबाद से भी फ्रेंचाइजी जुड़े हुए, मुंबई से फ्रेंचाइजी जुड़े हुए, पुणे से नितिन भाई है, फिर वंश जी है, फिर वो है श्री गंगानगर से जिनका भी ओपनिंग हो रहा है, अभिषेक है जो आसाम शिव सागर से. मैं हमारे फ्रेंचाइजी और आपकी पूरी टीम यानी मिंडा की टीम यानी स्पीड फोर्स मिंडा टीम को बताऊं तो हमने मिंडा में कहीं ना कहीं अलग अलग एरिया में कुछ काम किया है. मैं थोड़ा फोटोग्राफ शेयर कर रहा हूँ. जो एक मिनट दीजिए सर मेरे को.
Sure.
हाँ. So
and rather I will also introduce my team. I also forgot to introduce my team members. So post that I will introduce.
Sir. तो ये मैं सब मिंडा टीम और दोनों को ऐसे सबसे पहला हमारा मार्केटिंग एक्टिविटी था मिंडा के साथ, जो था गोरखपुर में, जो आनंद जी वगैरह और ये हमारे गौरव जी वहाँ के डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर उनके साथ हमने किया था. उसके बाद हमने अभी बड़ौदा में किया था. ये हेमांग भाई है और कृष्णा सही डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर है, गोपी भाई, और हमारे सुनील सोरी जी यहाँ के जो फ्रेंचाइजी है. उसके पहले हमने ये शिव सागर में किया था. ये अजय करके है आपका, तिनसुकिया से आया था और हमने वहाँ पे कस्टमर अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम किया था. ये हमारा फ्रेंचाइजी है अभिषेक, जिसके साथ ये अजय वगैरह कनेक्टेड है. जो वहाँ पे हम कस्टमर प्रोग्राम्स किया था, ये वजारी सर है जो हमारे नितिन भाई का जो आउटलेट है पुणे का, वहाँ पे ओपनिंग वगैरह में आए थे. थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू.
Super,
Good
super,
evening,
sir.
sir.
Fantastic. Fantastic. So very, very happy to know.
Yeah.
Look at our association, and I think most of our branch managers and regional managers are already actively engaging with you. That's most important. And over and about today in this call, actually, we already have a couple of regional managers. I think Mr. Raju Juneja from Western region and Mr. Deepak Pathak from Southern region are already part of this call. And we have Mr. Ajit Wangde, who is the country head. He is the General Manager Sales for the entire spare part division. He is also part of this call. And we have Shashwat Rautre. So Mr. Shashwat takes care of product marketing, and he heads the entire product marketing department. And we have Fahad and Arshad, part of the same product marketing team. And we also have members from strategy team and digital marketing team, Mr. Abhinay. And alongside that, myself, Mr. Rajesh. So I take care of the channel marketing part. So and I also oversee the distribution part. So happy to connect with you all today. So let's welcome you all to the session.
Great.
Shashwat, over to you.
Okay.
It's a great opportunity. After this session, I would, like our franchisee team members also to get connected, and if you have any kind of queries, one by one we can raise hands and we can ask. As such, we have got this opportunity to get connect with the entire Minda, majority of the Minda team, and we are very much happy to get associated with Minda. Actually, we were waiting from past many days. So now, as such, I was discussing with all the channel partners as well as Rajesh ji and everybody. So now we are feeling very happy. Actually, ऐसा होता था कि एवरी डे, एवरी वीक, एवरी सेशन हमारे फ्रेंचाइजी को बोलते थे हम नहीं मिंडा के साथ हमारा सेशन करेंगे, चालू करेंगे. So now we have so now we have
Finally हो गया.
So now sir, now we should hand over to you. Please take it ahead, sir.
ये हमने गुजराती है ना, तो सरदार पटेल जैसा काम किया है. आज तक क्या था, हर एक राज्य अलग अलग था, हर एक एरिया का आपका सेल्स मैनेजर, सेल्स डिपार्टमेंट वाले हेड अलग अलग एरिया में अलग अलग लोगों के साथ कनेक्टेड हो. हमने सरदार पटेल के गांव से है, तो हमने यहाँ वहाँ पे बन के पूरा राष्ट्र एक कर दिया. अभी मिंडा राष्ट्र.
Super.
बढ़िया सर.
बढ़िया.
Thank you.
Great, sir.
Okay. Over to you.
Okay, so thank you. So this side Shashwat. So I take care of the product marketing part from the Unominda side. So what we have worked out is that today we will straightforward go for 2 product trainings. The first one would be the core one, which is switch. So all the switch products that is made by Unominda for the two-wheeler segment, followed by lights, that is your headlights, tail lights, and complete thing. So for switches, we have 2 of our product managers, that is Fahad and Harshit here, who will be taking you through the presentation, followed by the lighting, which will be by Arshad. So we have aligned around half an hour for each of the products. So as we have 2 critical products to take care and makes more sense. So what I would do is that without really spending much time, I'll ask Fahad to take over and upload the slides. So as we go on the whole product. Fahad?
Good evening, everybody, and thank you so much, Sasu sir. My voice is visible? My
Audible.
Audible, yes?
Yeah, audible. Yes, okay. Audible.
I'm just sharing my screen, sir. Is the screen visible?
Yes. Yeah, visible.
Okay, I'll just take you through a very brief presentation that I have prepared just to brief on the context of what we will be sharing now. So I'll be talking about the two-wheeler switches as a whole. So if you see, without any doubt, we are India's #1 manufacturer of switches in the context of OE as well as the aftermarket. I think there is some noise which is coming from the...
Yeah, now stopped.
Yeah, okay. So, so we are India's #1 manufacturer of two-wheeler as well as car, commercial and tractor switches. This is the brief agenda of why we are here. So we will be talking about why anybody in the aftermarket or in the OEM should prefer Uno Minda. Where are the products hidden in the vehicle? What are the brief USPs of the products? What are the OEM customers? Where our technical competency is? What is the product range and the market share we are handling? The competition, and remembering a vast range of products, and some brief about the product that we'll go through. So this slide showcases our strategic manufacturing locations for the switch business. In the north zone, we are located in Manesar, Gurugram, Pantnagar, and our regional offices or the head office is located in Delhi. In the west zone, we are located in Gujarat, Pune, and Aurangabad. In the south zone, we are there in Hosur and Chennai. So wherever all the OE manufacturers are located, our plants are located. So in the northern region, Honda, Hero, and all are located. In the western region, Bajaj, and southern region, Royal Enfield, TVS. So based on the OEM location, our plants are strategically located. We also have more than 5 R&D centers spread across the geography of India as well as worldwide. Why somebody should prefer Uno Minda? So it's not a new organization. We started our operations in 1960 with the ammeters being the first product made by Uno Minda, followed by switches, which is today's the #1 product of Uno Minda. Then we can say that we are in India's #1 choice of OEM as well as aftermarket. We are globally among top 2 players in the world. We are manufacturing more than 60 types of switches at more than 10 plus locations. So we are not a single location organization. We are a multi-location organization strategically located based on the OEMs. Then we are covering more than 90% vehicle on road. So that showcases our strength and might in terms of the products that we are offering in the OE as well as the aftermarket. Then we have the world-class testing facilities, not to mention because we are majorly OE supported. So we have the world-class testing facilities. We are providing long life switches, which are tested from 15,000 cycles to 3 lakh cycles. So all our switches are tested almost to 15,000, between 15,000 to 3 lakh cycles. And after that only it comes to aftermarket or OE. In majority of the products, we are having the first mover advantage, whether it is an illuminated switch or the USB based switch. We also are making self-cancellation blinkers. So there are many products where we are having the first mover advantage. And we are selling a whopping number of 2 crore switches sold in a year. So that is almost 3,000 switches sold per hour. So that is the might in terms of the aftermarket. We are selling 2 crore switches a year. In terms of product USPs and improvements, if I see, we are the first choice, as I told you, in terms of the OEM as well as the aftermarket. We have a very vast range coverage of vehicles, which accounts to almost 3,000 switches every hour, as I told you. We are living on the quality because quality being the first priority of the customers in the OE as well as aftermarket domain. So all our switches are tested up to 3 lakh cycles. We are innovative. As I said that we are having the first mover advantage in major categories. In the context of the OEM, we are having 100% dominance in OEMs like Yamaha, Royal Enfield, TVS, Piaggio, KTM. And we are the only aftermarket company to provide the BS4 range. So that continues to showcase our might in the aftermarket as well as OE. Then all our products are very easy to operate. We are making, in the context of two-wheeler, we are making 16 categories of two-wheeler switches, which is having 620 part numbers. Just to mention, we are making handlebar switches, modular switches for scooters, clutch switches, neutral switches, plug caps, side stand switch, brake switch, insulator carburetor, ignition starter, and there are many other categories which I have not mentioned because of the space constraint, like the boat light switches and very innovative product that we are making for OE as well as aftermarket. Though if I just go through the range that we are offering in the aftermarket, we are selling more than 555 SKUs in the context of two-wheeler switches and 65 part numbers in the three-wheeler. If I take you through the OEM wise breakup, this 620 numbers will be accounting to Bajaj. We are having the majority of the range because the range of also vehicles of Bajaj are huge. The variants also are immense. So that is why we have the majority of the range in Bajaj segment, followed by Hero, TVS, Yamaha, and so on. If I talk about the OEM presence, our OEM presence in the domestic domain, we are having more than 90% market share in the OEM domain in the context of Bajaj, Honda, Mahindra, Piaggio, Royal Enfield, Suzuki, TVS, KTM, BMW, and close to 50% market share in the Hero. So that is a strategic call we have taken to withdraw or to reduce our business because of the low cost pressure that is coming from the Hero. So that is the strategic initiative we have taken. Then in the context of the international brands, we are supplying to Suzuki worldwide, Peugeot, Kawasaki, BMW, KTM, Polaris, Moto Guzzi, Yamaha, and Aprilia. So majority of these international brands and our presence in these showcases the quality and the cost effectiveness of our brand. Just to showcase on the technical competency, all our products are made from the scratch depending on the requirement of the OEM, and also we are designing few of the products specifically for aftermarket also. So there are various functions which are coming in place when we are designing any product or making any product, whether it be prototyping team, the CAD/CAM team, the product and process design team, the electronics analysis, manufacturing, and everybody is contributing their part when we are showcasing or when we are about to make a product. If I talk about the competitive arena in the aftermarket, the team is already aware, they are already working in the aftermarket in the context of servicing the vehicles. So they must be already aware. I'll just take you through. So Uno Minda, as I already told you, is the aftermarket as well as the OE market leader. There are other brands like Varroc, J-Ocean, Swiss, Sandhar, Pavna, Napino, and Kunal. Just to touch upon, Varroc is majorly providing the OEM products in the CT100 and Bajaj Boxer range of the market. And J-Ocean is having basically the car segment, older Maruti car, and they are providing. And also they are OE in Hero and Honda, almost 20% market share they are having. Swiss being the completely aftermarket brand, they are not having any OE presence. Sandhar is having a very limited range in the Hero segment. Pavna is a purely three-wheeler brand. And Napino and Kunal are the brands which have recently entered in the OEM domain in the context of Hero. If I talk about the market share we are handling, 22% of the market share is handled by Minda Distribution, which is the aftermarket arm of Uno Minda, followed by OESPD, which is taken care by the service centers. So 31% market is spread there. And there are other brands. So 80% of OESPD is Uno Minda. So 22% plus 25% of this will contribute to almost 47. So almost every second replacement which is done in the OE as well as the aftermarket domain is done by Uno Minda product. So that is the might of Uno Minda switches in the OE as well as the aftermarket. So we are having more than 50% or almost 50% market share. So that is in terms of the market presence. If I talk about the vehicle in specific, so there are almost 9.5 crores of two-wheelers running on road. And if I take you through the OEM wise breakup of these 9.5 crores vehicles, the Hero is having almost 54% share in the motorcycle segment, Bajaj 21%, Honda is 9%, and so on. And within this 54%, if I say the handlebar switches, which is majority of my range in the OE as well as the aftermarket, is having 99% in the left and 94% coverage is there in the right. So this is showcasing you the coverage of products that we are offering in the OE as well as the aftermarket. So our overall dominance is more than 90%. If I talk about the scooter park share, again, Honda is having 50%, almost 49% of the market share in the scooters domain, followed by Hero, TVS and other brands. And here again, in terms of the range we are offering, it is more than 90%. If I talk about the various products that we are offering, handlebar switches, modular switches, neutral, plus switches, starter switches, we are almost having majority of the range as well as the coverage with respect to different OEMs. If I talk about the dominance with respect to all the market players like Varroc, Deocean, Swiss, our range stands at 620 part numbers, followed by Swiss, which is almost at half the range, and there are other players. If I dive down deep into the handlebar range, our majority range is there in the handlebar. We are having 334 parts, followed by Swiss, Varroc and Deocean. So just to give a flavor of the next slide, I'm just showcasing you the various modules which are present in the motorcycle as well as the scooter. If I talk about the left handlebar or the left handle of a scooter or a motorcycle, there are various modules like passing, dipper, indicator, horn and choke. And similarly for scooter also. If I talk about the right handle or the right module part, there are switches like light switch, engine kill switch, starter switch, and similarly for scooter as well. So this will give you a base of the next slide. There are various part number coding. So obviously we are getting to know each other, and very soon you will be selling a majority of our two-wheeler switches and the two-wheeler lights. So we are just sharing you the various codes which are being followed in the context of the part numbers that we are selling. So any brake switch which we are selling in the aftermarket will be starting with the part number SW-05 and followed by neutral switch. Any neutral switch will be sold with the part number SW-08 and similarly the other products. So there is a series code which is being followed for various part numbers. And similarly for majority of the range, which is the handlebar switch, the left handlebar switch will be odd part number and the right handlebar switch will be even part number. There are different codes which are being followed for various OEMs. Like Pulsar series will be 629 and 630 part number. So the part numbers can be anything SW-0629C, 629F, anything 630F, but the part number code will remain same. And similarly for Discover, Platina, CT100, various categories, we are having separate part number series. Similarly for Royal Enfield, Hero, Honda, TVS and Yamaha. So basically if you see the two-wheeler switches market, the majority of confusion is there in the fitment, because if I just take you through the Hero segment, all the 100 to 150 cc segment, the switches look alike. So the challenge here is how do you ensure that the product which you have purchased and you are trying to fit in the vehicle is the right fitment. So we are ensuring the right fitment by providing the correct information. So like if you see our price list, against all the part numbers, we have mentioned the OEM reference number. I'll just check again. My voice is clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. So just to ensure that the product you are purchasing is correct, we are giving the OEM reference number in the price list with respect to all the part numbers. We are giving the parallel fitment. So there are many products which are getting fitted in multiple applications. So we are giving you the parallel fitment. We are giving the generation year. So this Passion Pro means what? It will be fitted in which year of the vehicle. We are giving that in the price list. We are also giving the variants detail, like whether it is a kickstart product or a self-start, disc vehicle or the drum vehicle. So we are also mentioning that. And we are also giving you the wiring and coupler configuration. So before you actually purchase the switch, you can go through the price list and select the correct product, and only then. So by this detailing, we are ensuring that the product you have taken is actually getting fitted in the vehicle or not. There are various innovations that we have done in the context of the aftermarket. So we have identified that this Royal Enfield Bullet Classic 350 and 500 vehicles are running. So these people majorly are going to long kilometers, like they are running vehicles to 500, 600 kilometers. And the challenge they are facing is the battery of the mobile is getting drained. So we have identified and developed a product to the requirement of the aftermarket, where we have given the USB charging port inside the switch itself. So that is the innovative product that we have offered in the context of the Classic 500, 350 and Thunderbird. So a very brief summary of whatever we have discussed so far. We are a market leader in India and globally top 2. We have a very strong R&D capability worldwide. Our range covers almost all major OEMs and 90% vehicles on road. So if you get associated with it, you don't have any doubt whether that whatever product you are asking
Faji, sorry,
yes.
sorry to interrupt you in between. Sorry. Actually, can you please go back and brief us about the inbuilt charging that you just showed us, the switches?
Yes, yes. So if you are able to see, yes, sir. So if you are able to see the bottom left, there is a switch. So what we have done is, if you are aware that BS3 and BS4, there was a variation in the product that has been done. So the always headlamp on module was there, and the headlight used to be always on. So what is the change that has been done in the switch as a whole? The light on off module has been removed from the vehicle. So what we have done is, we have used that space which was left out and put a USB charging socket inside the switch. So if you are aware that there are aftermarket fitments of this product already. So लोग क्या करते हैं कि existing switch लगे हुए के साथ साथ they are already putting a USB charging socket on the handle, and there are few places where the USB charging socket is not getting fitted, like in terms of the Pulsar, there is no space on the rod to fit the USB charging socket, and they also have to compromise on the looks of the vehicles. So what we have done is, without compromising on the original look alike or the look and feel of the vehicle, in the same switch we have given the USB charging socket. So you don't have to yes.
Yeah, also it is very much beneficial because the original vehicle does not get cut off. While you put it from external, you need to place it with the original wiring. You have to work with the original wiring. So this is really, really, really good. I mean, we are seeing it for the first time. Really fantastic thing.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Please continue.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. So going forward, what we have done is, I've already briefed you that this fitment that we have done is for BS4 vehicles of Royal Enfield Classic 350 and 500. But what will happen for the BS3 vehicles, which are majority in the market? So for that, we have given a extra switch. If you are able to see the bottom left, there is a small switch. If I can highlight, there's a small switch here. Visible?
Yes.
So there is a small switch here which can be used to operate the headlight on and off. So this switch is universal for BS3 fitment as well as the BS4 fitment. So you don't have to compromise on the overall look and feel of the vehicle, and you can upgrade your existing switch with the USB charging socket. And also this socket, charging socket, is a smart charger. So this supports fast charging of 2.1, and you can charge your phone from 0 to 50% in less than 1 hour.
Oh.
So that is the thing that we have ensured. And this switch is completely waterproof. So you don't have to worry about whether you are driving that vehicle on the rainy season. So you don't have to worry on that. It is completely waterproof.
Sir, we must compliment you. It is a fantastic innovation, and this product is going to work, so
Yes.
especially for riders, because as such it is for this thing. So it is for riders. It is very good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Great. Thank you. Thank you.
So,
Yeah, sir. Your views?
No, it's excellent. Yes, yes. It's I have seen earlier this in the bullet. It's a really good innovation. Very good innovation.
Yes.
Yes.
Great.
So we have given this product for particularly for bullet range, because these vehicles are running for long distances. But if required, we can develop the product for economy as well as the performance range from 100 cc and above. So that is also possible. So that is based on your demand. So just to summarize, we are running short of time. We have a very strong R&D capability. Our range covers to almost 90% vehicles. How do we ensure the correct vehicle fitment? Because that is a challenge, particularly in the context of the two-wheeler switches. And we continuously cater to the dynamic requirements. As I already told you, that depending on your requirement, we can develop the product. And we have a very pervasive aftermarket distribution network with more than 50,000 touch points. So you name it, we have it. That is the tagline we are using in the context of the two-wheeler switches market. Whatever you name, we will be always having that. That is all from my side. So just to summarize, sharks never stop moving even when they are asleep or rest. So being the market leader, we are never in the sleep or rest. We are always moving and covering more and more of the market.
Great, Fahad. So maybe we'll just take over the questions if anybody has for switches or anything.
Yeah.
And then we can take ahead the lighting part.
Yeah. Anybody from our team members, from our family, Speed Force family? Do we have any questions? We can raise hands and.
I feel I do see a question where their request is coming that can we have a similar USB type charging for scooters like Activa? So Fahad, you can take it as your point.
That we can do, but the major challenge which is coming in the context of the scooter is the scooters are having modular type of fitment. So modular type of fitment means if the light module goes off, you can replace and get that same module fitted. But in the motorcycle, it is like the complete unit is there. So there, it is very easy for us to develop the product because it's a complete unit, and we can ensure the original fitment is maintained. You don't have to cut the wiring and all. But in the context of scooters, again, it is to the mercy of the mechanic or the electrician how he gets the product fitted. We can always give the product, but how well it will be fitted in the market, that will be a challenge. So we can give the product, but it will be to the mercy of the electrician or mechanic how he gets that fitted in the vehicle.
Right. So any more questions that we have related to switches?
Anybody from our team? Or shall we move ahead? Yeah, sir. I think we shall move ahead.
Yes, sir. We'll move
Okay, great. Done.
Okay.
So thanks, Fahad, for sharing your inputs. And I feel that Speed Force team will get back to us in terms of if any queries or anything is there. And what we'll do is that we'll move over to the next product, that is the lightings. So this is also a great product from the Unominda portfolio. So I would ask Arshad to take over the presentation and start it.
Thank you, everybody.
Great.
Thank you.
Great. Thank you.
So Arshad, take the rights and share your screen.
Yes, sir. Sir, I need command for sharing my screen. I think you log out for your screen, please.
एक मिनट में देता हूँ अर्षद देता हूँ.
Just a minute, depend by the
Take it.
Yes.
Arshad, you are co-host now. Perfect.
I think my screen is visible to all of you.
Yes, yes, correct. Visible easily.
Yes.
You can go
Hi
ahead.
everyone. Hi everyone. This is Mohammad Arshad, and here in Uno Minda, I am taking care of two-wheeler and three-wheeler complete lighting division. So here is I will give you a brief discussion about our whatever we have range, and whatever for what reason we have here. I think you will get all the solution for you for two-wheeler lighting. If I talk about the 2J agendas, so there is some little bit more headlines here. So firstly, I will tell you about what is automotive lighting. After that, what type of lighting in all the two-wheeler domain we have, and in domestic, whatever our domestic presence with respect to our manufacturing locations. And render overview, what is render? I will tell you about that. And our OE customers as within domestic as well as international and competitors arena, that where we stand in aftermarket and the market share. After that, I will give you some idea about our range versus other brand range, our product USPs, which will give you brief idea about that, and new product what we have launched in 1920, render packaging, blinker, and LED spots. So if I talk about the lighting, so automotive lighting system is nothing but is just the lights, the roadway for the driver and increase the visibility of the vehicle. So it is a very important for the riders basically at night. So the major function is that along with this function, there is some more function which helps to find the vehicle presence with the help of lighting, its size, position, and the most important thing, the driver's intentions regarding the direction of the travel. So on the basis of these type of use of lighting category can be divided in two categories. That is, one is headlamp, second one is signaling lamp. If we talk about the headlamp, so you see at every vehicle at the front of the front of any vehicle, that is which illuminates the road ahead for the more visibility of light. So you can say कि जितनी भी लाइटें जो हमारे front side में लगती हैं, that is called as headlamp, basically for our illuminations. And the second category which comes in signal lamp, that is measure is a safety function which demonstrate the change and direction of the vehicles and also make vehicle more visible during the poor visibility. So basically there are two categories of all the automotive lighting. One is headlamp, second is signal lamp. In signaling lamp, you can say indicator, also a signaling lamp. These are our growing domestic presence. You can see here there are totally 7 plants in India. 3 names come under the Minda Industries Limited, and the 4 comes under the Minda Render Private Limited. So you can see here from north to south, we have in Manesar, Chaka,